Hey everybody, we're here at Perfect Day at Coco Cay. Perfect Day at Coco Cay. The debate is out. We got our Coco Locos and they are fantastic.
You can talk about your drink in a second. People want to know about water slides. That's what they want to know.
Hey! How was it, boys?
We're going to get down on Coco Cay, hopefully they're going to clear us in a little bit. We're going to check out the water park, so we'll bring some content for you from there, and we'll see what Coco Cay holds for us today. So stay tuned, and we'll see you on the seas.
Skinner cards, please.
Go ahead, Kev.
You're good.
Kevy's belly's hurting him a little bit. Kevy's got a sensitive tummy, and some of the cruise food doesn't necessarily agree with him, so he's hanging in there. He's doing good. But yeah, he's having a rough walk this morning. We're sitting here watching the kids. Flip you around. Here's what we see right now. They're having a blast. We're enjoying watching them. We're gonna head over to the wave pool in a couple minutes, and then we promised Katie some water slides. So although she can't go on everything here, she can go on some. And you better believe that we're not leaving here without her getting on a water slide. So
You're bringing kids to the island. Make sure you bring tall kids, because 48 inches is the height for just about every slide here, with the exception of like 3 or 4. So at the back part of the island, closest to South Beach, behind the adventure pool, there are 3 slides that you can be 42 inches tall, but you must wear a life jacket, and you must go with a parent or anyone else over 48 inches tall, I guess. And you got to wear a life jacket, and those are tube slides. If you look back towards the other side here, towards Devil's Tower, there is one slide there that under 48 inches tall can go on, but it's probably the smallest slide in the park, so I don't think that's going to do it for Katie, but we shall see. So what would you find, Jewel?
I went to the bar over there and got the island drink, which is the Coco Loco. And let me tell you, it is everything that it's expected to be, everything that it stands up to. You can see I'm wasting no time here. It's really, really good. So like, subscribe, stay tuned, ask your questions. We are reading comments. What'd you guys think of those water slides? Yeah, Katie loved them. Splashaway Bay is right there too. Katie wanted to take a stop in there, but it's 1:21. Happy New Year, January 1st. We're gonna try to find one of these chicken sandwiches here. And Bri, you have to go to the bathroom? Oh wait, we will find that for you, Kevy.
We're right here at the restaurant.
Okay, you got it.
These are right here.
It really is just beautiful. All right, Kevy's gonna use the restroom. Bri, Katie, Caitlin, do you have to use the bathroom?
Is this Snack Shack?
Oh, Katie, please don't pick the flowers, sweetie pie. I know they're beautiful, but we want to leave them here for everybody to see, right?
All right, so after the water park this morning, we stopped over here at the Snack Shack just off of Chill Beach. Took all the recommendations of everybody's out there and got the Shack chicken sandwich. We got a couple burgers, fed the kids, and this is what feeding kids when they're exhausted looks like. So definitely good snacks for the kids. Burgers, hot dogs, chicken sandwich,
What is that?
chocolate chip cookies. What do you got there, Jewel?
The funnel cake. We couldn't not try it.
So thank you again to everybody out there. So the best thing I can say about this trip is we watched a ton of YouTube before we got here, and it has definitely helped us out to navigate this island. So our recommendation, Snack Shack.
To be fair, we don't have anything to compare it against because we didn't eat anywhere else on the island, but works for us.
That's a very valid point. But Chill Grill's right over here. We could easily get up that. Oasis Lagoon has right behind us over there. And maybe we'll try to hit Captain Jack's on our way back onto the ship in a little bit. But we got about 2 hours left here that we can play in the sand a little bit. So before we head back to those cold New Jersey temperatures, I think we're going to jump in the water here. So we'll check back with you in a little bit.
All right, so here we are. We just had our chicken sandwich. Kids had a burger. Tried the funnel cake. That was really good. Brian went down to grab a drink, and the kids are in front of me playing in the sand and swimming on the beach. So we had a great time at Thrill Water Park. We might hit it real quick again before we get back on the ship, but we wanted to sit by the beach for a couple minutes. Perfect day at Coco Cay. Really is a perfect day. So we're having a great time. Maybe I'll try to jump on live real quick. Otherwise, I'll post this one later when we get home. See the cabanas over there, over here, these are all cabanas, but then out there on the water, those are the water cabanas. They have the slides. They come with server and all kinds of amenities. Yes, Kev?
Can I just have an extra cup so I can...
Yeah, I'm okay with that. Just make sure it ends up in the garbage when you're done, Kev. Kids are having a blast. And that means mom and dad are having a blast. Can't beat it. All right, how to keep your kids happy on a cruise. 101. They have just been sitting there doing that for the last, 15, 20 minutes? They give them a cup, a sand, and a beach. They don't even want to go in the water right now. That's all right. We'll take it.
Tip for Santa, though.
Yeah. Tip for
getting sand toys, order a drink. When you're done, they have sand toys.
There you go. Win-win.
Oh, there you are.
Here. Hey, everybody. Wow. We're chilly.
Yeah, we are on Chill Beach. Don't think that's what it meant here, but
No.
I mean it is December, so it is a beautiful, almost 80 degrees today here at CocoCay, and it's a kid's first time in the Bahamian Ocean here. So, guys, what do you think? Cold? What do you think of the Caribbean Sea?
I love it. 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 I love it.
Well, how would you compare this to the Jersey Shore, guys? If you had a choice of this,
Way better.
this is better than the Jersey
No,
Shore.
I mean the Jersey's is better.
You really? All right.
Well, I
Well,
think this one's better.
that saves us money.
Yeah, his dad's a policeman, so he can get
Certainly
It
is
is
a
a
secret here.
it is a perfect day at Coco Cay, and it's a little choppy, but overall beautiful. So we're on the chill island side, chill beach side of Coco Cay.
Hey, Mommy John.
There's plenty of lifeguards here. We're right by the overwater cabanas. Plenty of cabanas up here. Looks like most of them were sold out today, but they're
I like the lifeguard in the middle of the ocean. That's kind of cool.
that's impressive. Yeah, right there. Lifeguard stands right in the middle of the ocean. Guess that's a good marker as to not go past that point. We've seen plenty of people with snorkel gear. We've seen some jet skis. We've seen a whole bunch of stuff to do here at Coco Cay. So now it's getting towards the end of the day. There's plenty of chairs available now. Was a little more crowded earlier this morning, but if you want to wait until the afternoon to come down to the beach, there's definitely plenty of space for you. So,
We've also heard that if you're going to the water park, or you have passes for the water park, you can get right on the rides or the slides and things pretty easily after that lunchtime rush. So head over there like 2, 3 o'clock if you can, and you're supposed to have less lines. But we didn't experience lines too bad.
too bad.
The one ride that you guys went on,
Yeah, the speedway.
yeah, it was a bit. But anyway, yeah, it's dying down. People are heading back to the ship. We're gonna try to soak in every last second because tomorrow it's back to reality.
Back
home.
We've checked out the water park. We've checked out Chill Beach, and I think it's time to check out the Oasis Lagoon before we get back on the ship. So let's head over there and see what we got. What'd you order?
With dark rum.
With dark rum.
Kev, are you sad it's our last day? I am too. It's recording.
The only reason I'm sad is because I want to go on the ship longer.
Yeah, should we do it back to back? 2 cruises in a row?
Yeah.
Yeah, there you go.
Yeah.
We'll be on again in June.
Yeah.
Are we counting the days? All right, we're gonna soak this in, enjoy every minute that we have left here on our perfect day at Coco Cay. Perfect day at Coco Cay. We'll debate, drop a comment, what do you think? So we had a great day here in Perfect Day in Coco Cay. We are heading back to the ship. The time is 3:58. We have to be on by at 4:30. You can see there's a ship right behind us. It's gonna a little bit of a walk, but not too bad. Kids are going to the bathroom real quick before we head back. And it really clears out pretty darn quickly.
Hope you guys had a lovely day today at Perfect Day, Coco Cay. It's not goodbye, it's just until we meet again.
guys, here we are in the main dining room. It is our last night here on the Harmony of the Seas. Guys, how you feeling about that?
I'm actually kind of sad.
Yeah, we're actually kind of sad. We've had a great time. So we're having a nice dinner tonight. It's lobster night, so Brian has been waiting for that. Brian, it's lobster night. What do you have to say about that? He's been waiting for this for quite a while. Yeah, so we're gonna have a great dinner here, saying goodbye to our wait staff, who's been wonderful.
That's a lot last night, yeah?
And
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
No better way than to start the year on the seas, and hopefully it continues through 2022. Everybody says, "What's your resolutions for the new year?"
Yeah. Ooh, finally one we can stick to. Cruise more. I love it.